Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Copado Fundamentals 1 dumps. Okay, as I have posted some videos regarding Copado registration and Fundamentals 1. So there I got some emails for Fundamental Copado 1 dumps. So now I am going to share the dumps with you. Actually, there is a three parts for this terms. So first one today I'm publishing, and second one and the remaining one will be discussed in further videos. So for that, please keep watching on my videos and subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. Okay. First one. What are some of the challenges in the development life cycle Copado helps address? For that, answer is limited set of quality checks, lack of monitoring and compliance, the struggle of migrating data from multiple objects. The answer is all are correct. Which of the following is an element that helps you track on changes, but it is not required in order to work with Copado pipeline? The answer is release. How can you access the feature branch in your Git repository directly from a user story? Answer. Using the link in the view in Git field. What is the correct definition of promotion branch? The answer is it is an isolated branch that is created from the destination branch. You can back promote a user story that has not been deployed to a higher environment. Is it true or false? The answer is false. We can't. How can you create a validation deployment of multiple user stories at once? Answer is create a promotion record and add all the user stories. Then click on create deployment, flag the validation only checkbox and click on submit. Dev has added a new field to the opportunity layout in the Dev3 sandbox. After committing the opportunity layout, the user story displays a message indicating that the last commit has no changes. What has Dev done wrong? Dev has marked the opportunity layout as retrieve only in the metadata grid. Next question. What is the quickest way to mass back promote user stories with Copado? Answer. From the pipeline page, click on the mass back promote and then click on back promote and deploy. Next question. Why would you flag an object as retrieve only when committing changes on a user story? Answer. You just want to update the FLS. Next question. Which is true when continuously using the mass backup promotion feature? Answer. It reduces the it reduces time by back promoting all the user stories in bulk. It reduces the possibility of getting a merge conflict. It allows you to back promote the metadata changes without the inconvenience of a sandbox refresh. All are the correct answers. Next question. Debbie wants to check when was the last time a component was committed on the user story she is working on. Where can she find his information? Answer. She can navigate to the user story selection section and check the latest commit date. And second option is she can navigate to the user story commits related list and check the commit date. Both are correct answers. And next question. Which of the following statement is true? The feature branch that is created when you commit on a user story in dev is reduced by Copado when you deploy the user story production. This is a perfect answer. By default, user story feature branches are merged into the promotion branch based on. The answer is the user story reference field of the user story in a ascending order. Next question. Which is true when using the full profile and permission set Git operations with a profile in Copado? Answer. Active and disable system permissions and all the references to the related components in the profile are committed. Next question. Rob has tried to promote and deploy a user story with changes in the HR profile, but he has received an email notifying him that the promotion has failed. How can he review the deployment errors? Answer. Rob can navigate to the promotion record from the user story promotions related list in the user story. Then open the related deployment and review the results in the failed deployment step. Next question. Turned off system permissions are retrieved when you commit a profile using the full profile and permission set Git operation. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Next question. What user stories can be back promoted? The below are the answers. User stories where the exclude from CBM checkbox is not selected. User stories that have not been back promoted already to the destination environment. User stories that have not been promoted from the destination environment of the back promotion. All are correct answers. Next question. Dev has committed a profile and custom object on a user story. However, while reviewing the user story selection grid, he can only see the profile there. What would be the reason for this? The reason is he has committed the custom object as retrieve only since the object already exists in the destination environment. Next question. What is the promotion branch used for? Answer. To deploy changes to the next or previous environment in your pipeline. Next question. Debbie has created a promotion to move several user stories from Dev 1 to UAT. When she goes to the Add User Stories tab to add the user stories, she realizes two of them are missing. What could be the reason behind this? The answer is the stories are in the Dev 2 environment. She has forgotten to flag the ready to promote checkbox on those two user stories. These are the answers. Next question. When committing changes on a user story, where are the changes committed? Answer. They are committed to the user story feature branch. Next question. You would like to migrate accounts and all their related contacts in one operation. What is the simplest way to do it? Copado. Answer. Create a data templates for accounts and contacts. Next question. You have found that someone has given the sales profile the modify all data permission in production, which is a security breach in your organization. What Copado tool can you use to ensure an united changes are moved to production? Answer. Compliance Hub. Which is not true about Copado branching strategy. Answer. If you want to remove user stories from a release, you will need to manually pick the commits from the promotion branch. Next question. In the Copado model, each Salesforce environment is tied to a branch in the repository. Is it true or false? Answer is true. Next question. Anna has updated the case layout and its assignment. Both the support profile and the case layout can be found under the user story selections. After a completed promotion, the assignment has not been updated in the destination. What should Anna check? Answer. She must check whether the support profile and the case layout were selected in the same commit. Next question. After committing a layout on a user story, you have been requested to make a field required in that layout. What is the best way to make sure you deploy the latest version of the layout? Answer. Commit again the layout in the same user story. Next question. You have deployed a user story from dev 1 to UAT to delete a layout. This layout was never back promoted to dev 2. So you don't want this user story to show up in the user stories behind count. What is the best way to achieve this without losing information? The answer is flag the exclude from CBM checkbox on the user story record. Next question. There are 7 new user stories that have been tested and are ready to be promoted to the next environment. Rob has been asked to deploy all 7 user stories from the Dev 3 to UAT. What would be the best way for him to deploy the user stories? The answer is flag the ready to promote checkbox in all the user stories, create a promotion record, select the approved user stories, and deploy the promotion. Next question. What Copado feature enables you to define how deployments are executed and which set of tests is run in order to comply with your business requirements? Answer. Copado continuous delivery. Okay, in this video I have shared almost 30 questions, and next video will have another 30 questions. Okay, for that please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.